All right, everybody, I'm getting ready to take a little ride. Let's go. Out in early morning, trying to get a ride in before everyone is out and about. Not that many people out today. Oh, that's a nice boat right there. That is a nice boat. Let me slow down a little bit here. All right. Yeah, as I said, I'm out early in the morning before it gets hot. It's going to be about 95 degrees today. And it's 78 degrees now. It's about 9:30 in the morning. I don't want to be out in the hot weather today. At 5, I think it was, what, 5 o'clock yesterday? It was 98 degrees. 98 degrees at 5 o'clock. That's ridiculous. I don't care how much of a breeze I get when riding this thing. 95 degrees is just ridiculous. Here we go. All right. Check out all these ducks for a second. Uh-oh. See if I can get past these ducks. All right. All right. I don't know why. Why? I don't know. I don't think I'm the only one with the idea of coming out early in the morning. I think I'll call. All right. I think I'll start referring to people when you wave at them and they just look at you as NPCs. How about that? It's a rather big dog. Oh no, it's not that big. All right. Thank you. Let's turn here. Let's see if anyone's on the road. I can get out on the road here. Yeah, no one's turning. I'll be fine, I believe. All right. For those who don't know, I am on the Mototec. It's 2,000 watts, 48 volts, well 60 volts, 2,000 watts, 60 volts, 18 amp hour battery. This thing is a monster. Goes 32 miles an hour. Slides like a flying machine. And when you're on grass, man, it flows like butter. But when I, the few times I've been on grass on this thing, it was kind of scary because it was just, like I felt like Alladin. A lot of people at the dock today. What's going on? I guess everyone wants to start their weekend early. Oh, that was that boat we saw earlier. It's a nice boat. All right. Let me go this way. Or they're loading it in. All right. Whew. I'm not gonna stop here too long. I just wanna be out here for a second. All right, that's long enough. Let's go. Someone has a canoe that's missing. Said it disappeared. Oh shoot, do you see that? Do you guys see that? Wow. All right, let's back up. All right, let's go.
All right, thanks guys for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, see you later. Peace.